First of all, I want to congratulate you that you took a huge step and decided to purchase CPA Marketing Mastery. I want to welcome you and congratulate you for this huge, massive step. Now, you are interested in CPA marketing. You are interested in making a full-time income online, and I will do my best to show you everything that I learned over the past few years. Now, if you don't already know, I've been doing internet marketing since 2019, and I quit my job 2 years ago, and I do CPA and affiliate marketing full-time, leveraging free traffic. I am not a big fan of paid ads. I do purely free traffic, and that's exactly what I rely on. In this course, you can expect to learn everything that I have learned over the past few years, and I want to make your life so much easier. Okay? But this is just a short video, and I want to say that if you follow all the steps, listen and pay close attention, and after watching this entire course, take massive action, I can guarantee that you can make a living from CPA affiliate marketing. Now, the question is, are you ready? Are you willing to take this huge, massive step? Are you willing to take action after taking this course? It's completely up to you. It's in your hands.